Hey y'all, welcome back to Mixed Media Art Journal. Today I got something a little different for you. I joined Take 5 with the hosts Jeannie and Christy from Jeannie's Palette and Funky Junk Inspiration. Make sure to check them out down in my description box. I will link it for you guys. Can check out the playlist of other YouTubers. Alright, so I'm going to collage these papers that were in my stash. I have been trying to use up my ripped scrap pieces. Then I'm taking some white gesso and just dabbing it around the edge. I soon changed because that little toothbrush thingy there was not doing what I wanted it to do fast enough. So I definitely changed that when I switched to black. And here I am. I'm going to use some black gesso this time and go around the pages, around the collage pieces and smooth it out with my finger so it gives it more of a finished look. And then I just took a cap and pressed it onto the page. And I'm also doing the same thing with the bigger cap, which is a glue stick cap there. You guys, here is my catch-all book. It catches all the leftover goodies, and I just make each page however. There's really no rhyme or reason to the pages. And now I'm going to smooth on some white gesso here. Since I accidentally got some on there. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, do all those fun things. Don't forget there's a link down in the description box of the Take 5 Mixed Media. And everybody does something different. Not everybody does journaling, so it's super exciting to see the different mixed media things you can come up with. Alright, here I'm taking that extra paint and just smoothing it out onto the scary looking page. And then this one, I'm just using the brush to kind of give me some little dots there. As I was going through this page, I found this one, and this is what inspired me to use some color now on my page, and I'm also going to use that page. So I didn't show you me putting on all the red and the yellow because it's kind of pointless, but I did show you a little bit of me mixing it, and now I'm just taking all the colors and doing splatters all over this page. And then, of course, I take the wet leftover paint and brushing it off onto a page. It looks like I already had something on here. So that's cool. Now, I still had a little bit of red left on the paper and a little bit of the yellow. So I already had put this on the page the other day from one of my other videos that I had some leftover red paint. And I am going to now make a background for this because one of these days we will come across that. You'll come across that on my video or on my YouTube one of these days. We will play with that. Now I went ahead and ripped pieces off of that page to collage all over. And then here I drew this girl out, and I'm trying to make sure I get the eyes in here pretty good because I'm going to use my glasses. It's been a minute since I've done a girl with glasses, so I thought I would do that today because the devotional, I didn't actually get to order this one from not Christian Craft Paper, but Creative Retreat Kits. I didn't get to order it, but she was so kind and sent me like what she had left because it was a really old kit, and it did have glasses in the kit, so that's why I wanted to do also some eyeglasses on this girl, because it was with the kit. Maybe not these glasses necessarily, but it was part of the theme. So I wanted to keep that theme going. All right, so you saw me draw her out, and then I erased her, of course, because I didn't want the pencil lines. And now I went back over her with my gel pen, and then I take my colorless Tombow marker and spread out the gel pen to give it a watercolor effect. And it's just like a light black to a gray. And I really love doing that. I do that quite a bit on my channel here. And once I was finished doing the eye details, we're going to go back in and do this same thing with the waterless marker here and give her some life and bring her face out. All right. And I did put a little bit of pink on here so she could have some little pinky cheekies. Because I am leaving her this color. I'm not going to color her in or anything like that. I do add some yellow to her hair off camera. It was kind of like a last minute thing, and I used my Faber-Castell markers on her hair. And of course, we have to put the white back into her eyes and a few little dots to bring that out. And then, yeah, and then I added a couple Bible verses on here that you can check out and read. They go with the theme. And that's it for this page. I think that's all I do. Oh yeah, I did go around her with my Posca pen here to kind of make her pop up off the back of the page a little bit there. That's all I did, was just go around her and then smoothed it out with my finger to give it that more messy blended look. But you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check out these verses. You can check out my description as well. I have a little bit of writing that I'm doing there. So if you want to read a little bit there, you sure can. I want to thank Jeannie and Christy for hosting the mixed media collaboration. And yeah, you guys, we'll see you on the next one for Messy Mindset Monday. Not sure what I have planned for that. I've been trying to get some videos out a little earlier and up so I can have more time to type out some stories and think of some, ideas for my channel. But you guys, let me know down in the description box, do you love mixed media art journaling? Because I know I do. It's so much fun. And I want to thank you. Don't forget to leave me a like and a comment. It is absolutely free for you. And it is also free for you to subscribe to my channel. You guys can follow me on Instagram. You can watch any videos here. And you can tap my picture now to subscribe to my channel. But until next time, we'll see you on Monday. God bless.